guys, welcome back. It is the middle of the afternoon here in Taipei, Taiwan. I've got my arm sleeves on so I don't get sunburned. Today I wanted to take you guys around my neighborhood here in Taipei, just a walk through so you guys can see some of the shops here and what is around my apartment here. This is one of the streets near my apartment. You can see here in Taiwan, this is what a lot of typical traditional apartments here in Taiwan will look like. You see the bars up here. This is a bit of an older district that I live in. Really nice, really quiet. You can see some local shops at the bottom here. Usually people will have their shops below and then their apartments will be up above. When you're in Taiwan or Taipei, you cannot miss the tons and tons of scooters everywhere. This is the preferred mode of transportation here in Taiwan. Almost everyone has a scooter. I don't have a scooter right now. There's really no need. I'm in the center of the city and I'm near the metro, but you will see scooters everywhere. This is a really cool restaurant near my apartment. They have different soy milks, dim sum, a variety of different bakery things that you can buy there, a lot of different breads. Really good place to go if you're in the mood, and it's open really, really late. One thing that you will find everywhere here in Taipei, Taiwan, Southeast Asia in general, are 7-Elevens. They're everywhere, along with family marts. A great place to buy knickknacks, fast food, a lot of little things that you may need in your everyday life, you can always find at 7-Eleven, and they're everywhere. What you'll see a lot here in Taiwan is people will actually leave their helmet on the scooter because it's so safe here. People don't tend to steal or rob scooters. You see the scooter here again, someone just leaves the helmet. No worries, they're not worried about anyone robbing them. That's one great thing I love about Taiwan, it's really safe. And there are a ton of streets like this throughout Taiwan that you'll go through. A lot of these kind of older, more traditional alleyways. You can see some shops here. This one actually looks like it's a bit closed. This looks like a little temple here. You can see the incense here. Really pretty. I love the dragons. It's got this really old, authentic Chinese culture that they've held on to for so long. Then there's also the real modern area as well. Up here, there's a little market area. You can see right here is a fruit stand. You can see the prices here, not bad. So for one of these guys, 39 Taiwanese dollars. Wow. Look how big that is, guys. Really fresh. 100. Again, this is a really quiet area here in Taipei City that I'm living in. Really nice area during the day. Here is another little fruit market over here. Wow, look at, I don't even know what that is. Look at all that. Bananas. You can see there is some chicken. Yeah. There's some clams here, vegetables. Look at the eggplant here, guys. Lots of fresh vegetables here on the outdoor market. Broccoli. Look at this shaved ice place, guys. We have banana and chocolate milk snowflake, shaved ice. Here's a menu. Ooh, red bean. Cookies and cream. Oh, that looks so good. One thing that you'll find in a lot of communities around Taiwan and here in Taipei is you'll find these shops, these little hardware shops where you can find everything from kitchen utensils to sandals, flip-flops, towels, pots, glasses, tape, scissors. You'll find these shops within a lot of local neighborhoods throughout Taipei and Taiwan. They're great. Everything is really cheap. So if you ever need to grab tape, or you need another fork, or you need chopsticks, or just something that you need, you can go to these stores, grab them. There are 2 stores near me that are only 3 minutes walk from my apartment, which is great. Here's a bakery, guys. Wow, check out this cake here. Little fruit cake, actually several fruit cakes. One thing that I've noticed here in Taiwan that's very popular are brunch cafes. You will see tons of brunch cafes during lunchtime. So even throughout my neighborhood, on every corner, you'll see a little brunch cafe. This is a very typical and very popular thing. Another line of endless scooters, guys. When I think about it, I think my scooter that I had in Hawaii was imported from Taiwan. I'm pretty sure that's where it was from. I remember the scooter place back in Hawaii, the guy, I think, yeah, his scooters were imported from Taiwan. It makes sense now being here and seeing so many scooters here. It will not be complete without a local claw machine shop. These are everywhere, guys. I love the claw machine shops here in Taiwan. Super popular. You can always buy a variety of things from stuffed animals to action figures, more action figures, headphones, some more dolls here. I think that's Iron Man right there. You'll see tons of parks here throughout the neighborhoods here in Taiwan. This is a very, very tiny one here. Little walkway, a ton of birds. Here is a common notice for the parks here in Taiwan, guys. No clothes drying, no vendors, no fireworks, no camping, no vehicles. Please leash your dog. If nature calls, please scoop it up. You can see they have parking spots specifically for the scooters, so you should try to always park into the spots. This area down by the park is so quiet, and there's some hidden cafes. This is a cafe I have not gone to yet, but looks really interesting, really good. Rebirth Coffee, okay. You can kind of see the inside of the shop there. Ooh, they have a big fish tank. Ni hao. Oh, she's waving. Oh my god. Over here is an office. I'm not sure if it's an office or public space for computers. No, I'm pretty sure it's an office area. So you'll see offices between all of these homes and little cafes here. You can see somebody enjoying their meals in there. This cafe even has a takeaway. Look at that. A little window for takeaway. You don't see that often. Here's another alleyway, guys. Let's go back here so you can kind of see what it looks like. You can see some people are drying their clothes here. Air conditioner, lots of plants. So this is a real local area here in the area that I'm staying. So if you look up, you can see all the apartments up above. Some people have plants out. Come down here, there's a washer, a sink. Actually, this is really nice. Oh, there's a cat. Check it out. This is a nice touch to the air conditioner, especially when it's raining as well, so the rain just drips right off. This is definitely a bit of an older area here in the city of Taipei. Pretty though. The plants are a nice touch. Now I've made it out to the main street, guys. This is literally a 5-minute walk from my apartment. The metro station is right here. It's very convenient. Again, only 5 minutes from my apartment. I can jump into the metro, go anywhere into Taipei City. There's also a main grocery store here, a bit more expensive, but you can find more things there that you may not be able to find at some of the smaller chains or local markets. Whoa, that guy came pretty close. If you're in the mood for Western food, in my area there is this local American barbecue, Baba Kevin. They have really good food. So this is one great thing in Asia. Usually you'll be able to find a lot of Western restaurants here and there if you're ever in the mood for some Western food, which I tend to be sometimes. And check out this spa, guys. This spa and massage place is open 24 hours. So you can get everything from a full body massage, foot spa massage. It's in English, Korean, of course Chinese. So let's see, body massage, 1 hour, 1,100 Taiwanese dollars. It's about $32 American dollars. Foot pedicure, 500, about $15. I might need to come here sometime and get a massage. My shoulders have been a little sore. Yet another 7-Eleven. They have a cute cafe outside. Above the 7-Eleven is a small gym called Being Fit. This is the gym I've been going to since I've been back here in Taipei. In Taiwan in general, if you want to go to the gym, the most popular gym here is World Gym, but they're very expensive. They like to do year contracts. I'm only here for 3 months. I came across this gym, which is actually connected to 7-Eleven. Really good gym. It's very small, but I go there during the day and it's not usually that crowded. So I think I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I hope this was very interesting. If you saw anything that you thought was interesting and would like to know more about, feel free to leave the comments down below and I'll do my best to get back to you. Thanks again for watching, guys. And remember to live every moment to the max. I am gonna work out to the max.